I'm just gonna say Mary J. Blige.
Blige? You don't know Mary J. Blige?
It's okay. Okay.
Everyone breathe.
Don't panic!
Actually, you fit her for one thing. She's like 3 inches taller in a week, and you're like, ah!
I'm still growing. Mary, you're just you get kisses. I feel like they're real now.
Well, yeah, you're underage.
Axe kick, man, sorry. Yeah. That axe kick.
Innocent is.
I know. Now she's so.
Oh, it does look like a Furby. You don't know what a Furby is.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You really don't. No. This giant.
I just did Slumber Party because I feel like all of them are a little like 21 and up or so.
Right. Yeah. Ella's like, drink. I'm like,
So I just remember neck cramps the whole time of like watching like whatever it was, like Minions or something. And
oh, you're such a child! My goodness! You know a movie? When you guys out.
sorry, not even
Yesterday.
not even maybe like a princess movie or something. But that's still
Princess and the Frog. Keep it coming, Frozen. Was that your first movie?